This is the Prolee 360 degree rotating turntable, and I think it's wonderful. Hey, I'm Steve. Let me show you the Prolee 360 degree rotating turntable. This thing has helped me in my content creation like crazy. Hey, photographers, content creators, this is your new best friend. So I'm just giving you some close-ups. It plugs in, it has a remote control, and it works wonderfully. What I'm showing you here is it comes with 5 different color discs. They're very lightweight, very thin. You just put that on top of the turntable. If you are highlighting a product on this turntable, these color discs will be amazing. Here's the remote for the turntable. It will do many different things in terms of rotation. Now for me, I keep it really simple. I just need the turntable to spin a product so I can video or photograph it. It does many other things, but I generally keep it simple. The fact that I do keep it simple makes this product wonderful for me. I use this turntable mostly to help me review products, so let me show you some examples of how I've used the turntable to create these spinning, almost 3D product intros. Now Prolee does claim that you can put up to 280 pounds on this turntable. That's something that I'm never going to try, so I can't confirm that. I really like the Prolee turntable. I think you will too. So if you're watching this video, I hope you found it helpful.